Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will guide you through the process of reviewing, downloading, and mailing your employees' payslips and publishing the same in ESS. To view and download the payslips, on the home page, click Payroll, click View Payslips, select the month. All the payslips for that month will be displayed. You can filter it based on department, designation, location, and cost center. You can select a particular field or you can select all and click Apply. To download the payslip for a specific employee, you can check the box against the name and click Download. You have many options to download the payslips. Click on Single PDF if you wish to download payslips of selected employees in a single file. Click on Multiple PDF if you wish to download the payslips of selected employees in separate files. If you want to send the payslips via email, click Send Mail. Single PDF All Employees is if you wish to download the payslips of all employees in a single PDF file, and Multiple PDF is where you can download the payslips of all employees in separate files. If you wish to send the payslips via email to all employees, click Send Mail All Employees. You can also download multiple employee payslips. Select the month. Enter the multiple employee codes, each separated by a comma. You can download them in a single PDF or in multiple PDFs. To enable the employees to view and download the payslips in ESS, you need to check the box Publish Payslips to Employees once you have completed the run payroll for the current month. Please note that you can enable password protection for the payslips, either with the date of birth or PAN number. If you wish to enable password protection, you can do so by sending an email to support@paybooks.in. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.